Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest cycling sunglasses on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best cycling sunglasses of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Torage Polarized Sports Sunglasses. The Torage Polarized Sports Sunglasses, model TR002, are designed to cater to both men and women who engage in various outdoor activities such as cycling, running, driving, and fishing. These sunglasses are particularly noted for their polarized lenses, which are engineered to reduce glare and provide clearer, more vibrant vision. This feature is especially beneficial in environments with reflective surfaces, like water or roads, enhancing visibility and reducing eye strain. The TR002 model boasts a stylish and functional design, ensuring both comfort and durability. The frames are made from a lightweight yet sturdy material, making them ideal for long-term wear without causing discomfort. Additionally, the sunglasses offer UV protection, shielding the eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays, which is crucial for outdoor sports enthusiasts who spend extended periods in the sun. These sunglasses are also designed with an ergonomic fit, ensuring they stay securely in place during vigorous activities. This aspect is critical for sports like cycling and running, where stability and comfort are paramount. The combination of polarized lenses, durable construction, and a secure fit makes the Torage Polarized Sports Sunglasses a popular choice among athletes and outdoor enthusiasts looking for reliable eye protection and enhanced visual clarity. Product 2: X-Tiger Polarized Sports Sunglasses. The X-Tiger Polarized Sports Sunglasses are versatile and high-performance eyewear designed for both men and women engaged in various outdoor activities such as cycling, baseball, running, and fishing. These sunglasses come with 5 interchangeable lenses, allowing users to customize their vision according to different lighting conditions and environments. The polarized lenses reduce glare and enhance clarity, making them ideal for activities in bright sunlight or reflective surfaces like water or roads. The glasses are built with a lightweight and durable frame, ensuring comfort and resilience during rigorous activities. The ergonomic design provides a secure fit, preventing the sunglasses from slipping during intense movement. Additionally, the lenses offer UV protection, safeguarding eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. Product 3. Product name: Rockbros Polarized Sunglasses. Rockbros Polarized Sunglasses are designed to provide superior UV protection and enhanced visual clarity, making them an excellent choice for both men and women who engage in outdoor activities, particularly cycling. These sunglasses are crafted with polarized lenses that significantly reduce glare from reflective surfaces like roads and water, ensuring a safer and more comfortable visual experience. The UV protection feature shields the eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays, which is crucial for preventing long-term eye damage. Rockbros Polarized Sunglasses are not only functional but also stylish, catering to both aesthetic and practical needs. They are lightweight and durable, designed to withstand the rigors of active sports and daily use. These sunglasses are particularly popular among cyclists due to their ability to enhance contrast and clarity, helping riders to spot obstacles and navigate various terrains with ease. The ergonomic design ensures a secure and comfortable fit, preventing the sunglasses from slipping during intense activities. Overall, Rockbros Polarized Sunglasses combine advanced lens technology with a sleek design, making them a versatile accessory for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize eye protection. Product 4. Product name: STORYCOAST Polarized Sports Sunglasses. The STORYCOAST Polarized Sports Sunglasses are designed to cater to both men and women who engage in a variety of outdoor activities such as driving, fishing, cycling, and mountain biking. These sunglasses are particularly noted for their polarized lenses, which significantly reduce glare and enhance visual clarity, making them ideal for sports and outdoor use where sharp vision is crucial. Key features of the STORYCOAST Polarized Sports Sunglasses include: polarized lenses. These lenses are specifically engineered to filter out reflective glare from surfaces like water, roads, and snow. This feature not only improves visual comfort but also helps in reducing eye strain during prolonged exposure to bright light conditions. UV 400 protection. the sunglasses provide comprehensive UV 400 protection, blocking 100% of harmful UVA and UVB rays. This ensures that the eyes are shielded from potential damage caused by ultraviolet radiation, which is crucial for maintaining eye health during extended outdoor activities. Versatility in use. Designed for a wide range of outdoor activities, these sunglasses are suitable for driving, fishing, cycling, and mountain biking. Their versatility makes them a valuable accessory for individuals who enjoy an active lifestyle and require reliable eye protection across different environments. Unisex design. The sunglasses feature a design that is both functional and stylish, suitable for both men and women. This unisex appeal makes them a versatile choice for anyone looking for high-performance sports sunglasses. Product 5. Product name: Capvo Photochromic Cycling Glasses. The Capvo Photochromic Cycling Glasses are designed for both men and women, offering versatile eyewear for mountain biking and other cycling activities. These glasses are particularly suited for various light conditions, making them an ideal choice for cyclists who ride in changing environments. Key features of the Capvo Photochromic Cycling Glasses include photochromic lenses. These lenses automatically adjust their tint based on the amount of UV light exposure. This means they darken in bright sunlight and clear up in low light conditions, providing optimal visibility and eye protection throughout the ride. Comfort and fit. The glasses are designed to fit comfortably on different face shapes. They are lightweight, which reduces the pressure on the nose and ears, making them suitable for long rides. Durability. Made with high-quality materials, the Capvo glasses are built to withstand the rigors of mountain biking. They are resistant to impacts and scratches, ensuring they remain clear and effective over time. Versatility. These glasses are suitable for a range of outdoor activities beyond cycling, including running, hiking, and other sports. Their adaptive lenses and sturdy design make them a multi-purpose accessory for active individuals. Stylish design. Alongside their functionality, the Capvo Photochromic Cycling Glasses come in a sleek and modern design, appealing to style-conscious riders.